It's a bright, sunny day, the breeze is blowing, and I can't get into my car. This scenario sound familiar? It happens more often than you might think. Your Toyota Smart Key system is a winning feature of your ride, but it's not infallible and can have hiccups from time to time. Having a non-functioning key is no laughing matter, but it's no reason to spiral into a panic either. At Toyota of Orlando, we're here to help you sort through your misfortune with some key advice. See what we did there? Before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Toyota and automotive content. Let's check it out. Your Toyota Smart Key system is super convenient and helps new Toyota drivers access their vehicles more easily. While the system itself seems like quite the perfect setup, your Smart Key itself is powered by watch batteries, which eventually die. If this happens to you and you're panicking outside the driver's side door trying to get in, follow these quick steps. Number 1, chill out and pull out that physical key. Every Toyota Smart Key comes equipped with a spare physical key inside for situations just like this. There should be a pull or push tab somewhere on your fob to release it. Number 2, if you have a push button start, keep calm. Replace the physical key back into the fob and press the Smart Key to the push button start button. Number 3, after hearing a beeping sound or seeing your dashboard activate, press the brake pedal and the push button start, aka start your car normally. It should start and you can be on your way. See that? Super simple. If you need a replacement Smart Key or you need to replace the batteries in your current one, swing by Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vineland Road today.